How to connect your Pixel Buds Pro to two devices and switch seamlessly between them. Let's say you are at your desk with your Pixel Buds Pro earbuds connected to your Android tablet, happily listening to something really cool. You then have to step away from your desk and switch over to listening on your phone. Typically, with Bluetooth, you have to manually switch the connection from one device to another. However, with multi-point connections, you can have your Pixel Buds Pro earbuds connected to two devices at once. Those devices could be phones, tablets, laptops, desktops, or TVs. A secondary features audio switch makes the switching between devices work seamlessly. Or maybe you are listening to music on the device and a phone call comes is on the second device. With auto switch enable, the Pixel Buds Pro earbuds will automatically switch to the device the calling is coming into. Also, the best earbuds you can buy. The only caveat to this is that audio switch can be a bit picky on what device it works with. I have used it to perfections between two different Pixel phones, a Pixel phone and Android tablet, as well as any of those devices, a Chromebook, my Linux desktop, and a MacBook Pro. However, do not audio switch. The audio switch feature uses your Google account to seamlessly pass the connection from one device to another. Switch means it is mostly related relegated to Android centric devices. So if you work and play within the Google ecosystem of devices, you can not only enjoy multi-point connectivity with your Pixel Buds Pro earbuds but also audio switch. The also means your Pixel Buds Pro earbuds need to associated with your Google account. That happens the second you pair them with your Pixel phone or an Android phone with the Google Pixel Buds app. How to enable a multi-point and audio switch. What you will need: first you will need pair to Pixel Buds Pro earbuds.